this is a key. Okay. Now where's my key? Yes, under the rack. Where's my key? Under the rack. Very good. Where's my jug? Yes, under the chair. Where's my jug? Under the chair. Very good. What is this, children? Yes, a tray. What is this? Yes, a glue bottle. Now tell me, where's my glue bottle? Yes, under the tray. Where's the glue bottle? Under the tray. Very good. So children, let's do a small quiz. Where's the peg? Yes, the peg is under the jug. Where's the spoon? Yes, the spoon is under the mat. Where's the pen? Yes, the pen is under the box. Where's the toy? Yes, the toy is under the table.